Hey, hey, it's Berta J back in my kitchen with you today. We're gonna do roasted portobello mushroom cap. Well, you could put an S on it, but I'm only doing one. Portobello mushrooms are very good for you. Mushrooms in general are very good for you, but these are portobello mushrooms, and I found a deal on them at my grocery store. It was bigger than this, but what I did was I cut it into like 3 pieces. And I'm going to show you what I do with it. You can put these on the grill if you want, but we're going to bake them today. Okay? I don't measure it. I just use a little bit of balsamic vinegar. And I don't know, you could pour it out in the top if you want to, whatever that is. And you're just going to rub it really good so that it gets in there on both sides. See? So now it's really balsamic vinegary. And then with that, you're going to also put on some of the organic no salt seasoning. This is the one that I told you about from Costco. I use it on a lot of stuff. So I'm just going to use it on this today as well. It's got a lot of good spices and stuff in it. So I just take a little bit. And then you're going to take parchment lined baking sheet, and I'm going to put it on here. And because I like balsamic vinegar, I'm just going to put on the rest of it. I don't add any salt to this because for me, balsamic vinegar gives this mushroom a wonderful taste without salt. However, I never discount the fact that somebody might need salt. Put it on after it's baking. Just a little pinch and it'll be enough because it'll be right on the surface of the cooked mushroom cap, okay? So I put it in a 375-degree oven, do 15 minutes, flip it over, do 15 more minutes. But always look at it. You can do the whole cap, but as I told you, I cut this into 3 pieces. And because it's thinner, it takes about that much time. But if you do the whole thing, it's going to take longer. But you want to pierce it so that a fork would go in with ease and come out. Okay? So I only put the forks on there because the paper can stay down. So we're going to put it in a 375-degree oven, and we're going to bake it for 15 minutes, flip it over, bake it again. All right? Okay, we're back. I have already grilled some, so that, not grilled, but already roasted some mushroom, the other part of the mushroom cap. And these are the 2 other pieces. So we're going to construct what I love to have is a roasted portobello mushroom sandwich. When I do this, I go to the local grocery store and I get a Kaiser roll. But Kaiser rolls, if you like bread, go ahead and do the whole thing. But it's a lot of bread for me. So I cut it into 4 parts. So you got half. See? So I'm going to use the bottom one. And the first thing we're going to put on is cashew mayonnaise. Now this mayonnaise is in another video. Very easy. I'm just going to spread it on the bottom, just like you would make a regular sandwich. I say a hamburger. If you ever eat your hamburgers with lettuce and tomato, that's what we're going to do in mayonnaise. These store very well in the refrigerator for up to a week, 2 weeks. If you put it in a airtight container, put it in the back of the refrigerator, you can have them for a long time. Now it looks like I bit it, but as I was playing around with it and cut it, see that little piece came out. So that's the first thing that's going to go on. You can put on tomato. Now if you don't like tomato, you can leave it out. I happen to like tomatoes, so I'm going to put on 3. And then I'm going to use shredded tomato because shredded carrots. I'm going to use shredded carrots. Let's put some of that on. And this is just my lettuce spring mix with extra spinach and some arugula. You can use just any kind of lettuce that you like. I happen to like this mix. It's usually in the refrigerator, so I'm going to put some of that on top. Okay, so now I'm going to just take this and put the top on it. You could also toast your bun if you want to. No, I don't know if my mouth is sensitive or something inside. A lot of times when it's real too toasted, what will end up happening to me is the hard toastiness will hurt the inside of my mouth. So I don't usually toast these Kaiser rolls. So there it is. That's what it looks like. Now what I serve them with, I like to eat them with, is this. Berta, what in the world is that? It actually is a popcorn chip, and an ounce is only 3 grams of fat, and this is an ounce right here. So you can take some of these, you don't have to eat a whole ounce, and put them on your plate. And there's your lunch or your dinner if you want to. That's the Portabella mushroom cap, roasted and served with cashew mayonnaise, shredded carrot, your lettuce, and tomato. And you know, I have to tell you that this is delicious, but you won't believe me until I bite it, right? So I'm gonna bite it. You taste the lettuce, you taste all the other wonderful flavors in there, the carrot. I hope you'll give this a try. Portobello mushrooms are usually pretty cheap. I got a cap for 99 cents each in my local grocery store. And it makes an easy meal that tastes really good. So please try it. Please check the bell so that you will get notifications every time I upload a video. Okay? Until then, bye for now.